A gland called the prostate encircles the bladder and urethra and is a component of the male reproductive system. During a man's lifetime, it expands to a size similar to a walnut. Maintaining a healthy prostate as you get older is crucial. Prostate cancer, one of the most common cancers in men, can cause the gland to enlarge. Good news if you're concerned about the health of your prostate: what you eat can matter. Strong evidence state that a healthy diet and an active lifestyle can lower the risk of prostate cancer and halt the disease's progression. Here are things that can cleanse the prostate gland and flush out infections. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, fiber, phytochemicals, and antioxidants, plant nutrients. Combining these nutrients may support your prostate's self-maintenance. Eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. To receive a good variety of phytochemicals that are beneficial for the prostate, choose fruits and vegetables that are green, yellow/orange, red/purple, and white in color. 2. Tomatoes. Cooked tomatoes are essential in reducing the incidence of prostate cancer. A study found that men who consumed cooked tomatoes on a regular basis had a 28% lower risk of prostate cancer than those who did not. Tomatoes high in lycopene have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on prostate tissue. 3. Green tea. You may have heard that green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants thought to have anti-mutagenic and anti-carcinogenic properties. The 2 most significant catechins are EGCG, epigallocatechin 3-gallate, and epicatechin, preventing healthy cells from mutating. A systematic review of numerous studies found that men who drank 7 cups of green tea per day had a lower risk of prostate cancer. 4. Fatty fish. There are numerous benefits of consuming omega-3 fatty acids, as well as lowering high blood pressure, assisting with weight loss, and lowering the risk of heart attack. Omega-3 fatty acids also help lower bad cholesterol and raise levels of good cholesterol. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids can assist improve prostate health, despite the fact that physicians normally advise against eating too much animal fat. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are present in foods like lake trout and salmon, may actually help reduce the risk of prostate cancer.